Indiana families and childcare providers say they are in a crisis right now as the state limits the number of low income families who have access to a voucher that helps pay for childcare. Now, on top of this, the state has also lowered the reimbursement rates that childcare providers were getting from these vouchers. All of this together means that childcare providers are being hit really hard right now, with many saying that they've had to close down classrooms, and some are even afraid of having to shut down their business altogether. There is a new report out from Early Learning Indiana that estimates around 10,000 childcare spots are at risk of being lost over the next year if nothing changes. Now, all of these cuts together now mean that there are over 25,000 Indiana families waiting to get one of these vouchers that even go to some of our most vulnerable kids in Indiana, including foster care children. I spoke with multiple foster parents who said that they were heavily reliant on these vouchers to ensure that they could get their kids to a safe, reliable spot during the day while they work full time. Now, Indiana state leaders have said that these cuts were necessary to address a over $200 million funding gap left in the budget due to the previous Governor Holcomb's administration's over-reliance on COVID relief dollars to expand the voucher program in recent years. But all of that funding is now gone, and that has left families and providers in the lurch and left to figure out how to afford childcare and how to provide more access to families. If you want to read more about how these cuts are affecting families and childcare providers, then go to indystar.com to read the rest of my story.